Okay, I've got some delicious vegan snacks.
Delicious. No. Today, we are making Choco berry fudge balls.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Why are we making these?
Full of superfoods. They taste amazing.
Okay, so what do we need for this recipe?
A big old bowl. You can use a mixing bowl, but this is so much more fun. We're gonna get our hands dirty.
We need a kitchen skill.
Pumpkin, baked, no oil, in its skin.
What?
Just trust me on this.
Okay. We need some protein powder,
Freeze-dried strawberries, raw cacao,
hemp hearts,
ground almonds, almond milk, sugar-free chocolate, apple cider vinegar, pure vanilla extract, stevia, ashwagandha, and lion's mane. Let's go.
Let's go.
And now you put the pumpkin in the bowl. Oh yeah.
Protein powder.
Ground almonds.
The hemp hearts,
The raw cacao.
half a teaspoon.
Stevia drops.
Okay.
Do you want to mush it?
Yes.
Go
Are you
for it.
ready?
Yeah.
It's going well, eh?
Upper body strength.
This is being mixed.
Come on.
I'm bracing my core. I'm
Get
keeping
it.
my chin tucked. I keep my chest up.
This is cooking games. I'll take the berries, you take the chocolate.
Mix it.
Mix it. Roll it into tasty little balls. Roll it into some big old balls. You want
Yeah.
some strawberry
Yeah.
and you want some chocolate, but you don't want too much of either, because then you're gonna have some bland balls, and no one likes bland balls.
Leave these balls in the fridge until they're firm.
Okay, now.
Are you ready?
Some cool ideas are freeze-dried crushed strawberry powder.
Or some sprinkles.
Of course he's gonna go with sprinkles.
Yeah.
This is good for kids
Yes.
and Bas.
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, hemp hearts for if you're looking for more protein and fats.
Yeah.
Great to make these even more keto.
And Diana, what is this?
That's raw cacao,
Little bit
extra
more.
chocolatey. But honestly, this is my favorite way to eat them. Ah.
I'm gonna try this one. Eh?
I
It's
love
good.
it.
It's difficult to eat with all the sprinkles, but
You're eating sprinkles.
they are good. They are good.
Okay.